Good morning. I just wanted to make a quick video to make sure everyone knew how to submit their assignments into D2L. Your outline is due tonight, and so let me just walk you through this process. So if you look at the week two announcement, you can scroll down to where it says submit the outline. The other place you can go is to the calendar feature right here. So when I open that up, I want to scroll down to the link right here, and that will pull up the assignment information. So I'm going to scroll down. You can see the rubric for the outline, and then you'll see where it says submit assignment. I want to click add a file. And then from here, you have to know where your file is located. If your file is located on your computer, you will click My Computer, click Upload, and then find that assignment, highlight it, and click Open. Here, you will see the submission link, and then you want to click Add. After you verify that it is the correct document, go ahead and on the blue button at the bottom that says Submit, you will click that button so that way you know it is submitted. I'm going to cancel this because I want to show you your other option. Again, let me go up to the submission, to the announcement. I'm going to scroll down to the due date, and I'm going to go this way this time. You'll see it takes me to the same page. Again, I want to scroll down to add a file. If my file is saved on Office 365, so this means that when you logged into your MyDTCC account, you went to the Resources tab and clicked Office 365. In that case, your file will be located in your OneDrive. So I'm going to click the OneDrive. You're going to need to log in if you've never done this before. It'll just be your DTCC email and password. You'll find your file. Again, make sure the box is checked, click Add, verify it's the correct document, and then again, click Submit. So that is how you are going to submit your outline. If you have any problems submitting your outline, please go ahead and send me a text or send me an email, and I will try to help you walk through that submission. Thank you. Have a good day.